Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video is gonna be the first video in a series where we will learn JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript was originally made to run on browsers such as Google Chrome, Safari, and Firefox, etc. But now JavaScript got evolved and alongside from building complex web apps, now you can run also mobile apps that can run on Android and iOS devices with frameworks such as React Native, and you can write server-side scripts, and you can build your backend with an environment called Node.js, and also JavaScript extended to the desktop, and you can build also desktop apps and much more. And if you ask me why take you effort and learn JavaScript, I will say it's very easy to learn, and you can build, as again, you can build web and mobile apps, and it's very popular. It has a great community, whether you're looking for a help in solving a problem or just simply looking for resources to learn JavaScript. It has a great community. And if you're looking for a job, JavaScript is a great option to consider because it has a huge demand for it. And now talking, let's get started. Okay, now we will use a vscode to write JavaScript, and head over now to this link, and this link will be given down in the description below, and choose your operating system. For example, here I'm using Windows, and your downloading should be start, and click on next, and installation process should be easy. Okay, now we will open VS Code, and we will go to close this welcome tab, and we'll go to file, and we will create a new project and open. Let's click open folder, and I'm gonna put this folder in the desktop, and I will create a new folder, and we will just name it JS, and click select folder. Okay, now we will create in the Explorer tab, we will create a index.html, and we will type exclamation mark and hit enter, and that will give us the boilerplate for a HTML page. And we will type script, and we will type alert and hello JavaScript. Okay, now to run this code, we will go to the Explorer again, and here right click and go to reveal in file Explorer, and we just open this page, and as you can see here, hello JavaScript, the message that we typed earlier. Okay, and another way of executing JavaScript code is using external file. So if I go to the Explorer and create a new file called main.js, and here inside we will grab our code here inside of the script tag and put it here, and in the script tag we will type src, and we will type /main.js to reference the main.js file that we created here. And again, we will go to the index page and we'll open it, and as you can see here, hello JavaScript, our message is being shown here. And this is it about this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in another one.